Hi, we're gonna make chicken egg foo young today, and we use a quarter pound of white chicken, dark chicken, or any kind of meat. You can use a white meat, a chicken breast or chicken leg, and cut them small pieces like that, or grind with a machine, grind it small, and now we have to marinate the meat. Use a little bit of salt and some pepper. A little white pepper, black pepper, just a little bit. That's it. And a little cornstarch, around half a teaspoon, and that's it. Then we're gonna cook it. We're gonna cook them first. We're gonna turn on the heat. See this? We just want to cook them first before we're gonna cook the egg foo young. So, chicken real easy to cook. Yeah, I need to cook them. And you don't have to cook it really well done, because we're gonna cook the egg foo young inside, and we're gonna cook them later, and it should be okay. But pretty much all well done right now. So yeah, and that's it. You can turn off the fire. All right, then we're gonna scoop that now. We're gonna make the egg foo young right now. So see, and the meat here. And we turn the heat up. Okay, we turn up the heat. Then we're gonna make the egg foo young right now. So we need about 3 handfuls. Like this is 1 handful like that, and two handfuls. That's a fresh bean flour, and it's about 3 handfuls here. 3 handfuls. And we put the eggs in it. We need 3 eggs. Then we're gonna mix them up like that. And we try the oil is hot enough, so you put the little piece of bean flour in it. See there, you can see some bubble, but should be hotter than that. Should be a little bit hotter than that. So yeah, we have to wait a little bit until they are the bubble a little bit. I mean more bubble a little faster. And you don't make the egg before that, because if you make the egg fast earlier, and you stir them too much, and will not that good to fry it, because it will kind of not stick together. See? So you see that bubble pretty much heating up right now. So see, put that in. See it go up a little bit more. See, the bubble are bigger. See. So okay, so we're gonna make the egg foo young right now. So just mix them together. Don't over make them. Don't too much. Okay. I think that should be enough, hot enough right now. You just kind of make them even. And we're gonna slide that in it. second one. Okay, then we got it over. We can put a little bit more in it. Okay, I think that's it, and should be okay. So we just wash them and just wait for it. And you check it, you know, see they turn brown or not, see, and they're not quite enough. They're not quite enough yet, so you need a little more. Okay, we can try to flip one up, see like that, and they're a little brown here, so it should be ready. And the other one, one more, and the third one. So you can keep it cooked easy, pretty easy, but you can see the bubble all through in the middle. That should be done, but you want a little bit more brown. And now they pretty much done. So you can see the other side kind of browning too. So that's and also you can kind of press it down harder. See, they have eggs coming out. You know, now you don't see any egg coming out. See, the egg, if they're raw, if they're not cooked enough, and they have the egg coming out. So you see that, see, you push it down, and they're no egg coming out. So it should be done. When you turn around, take a look at it, and see they are brown. So it should be okay. All right, then it's done. Don't turn off the water on don't turn off the heat until they take it out. So you take it out right now. One, two, okay, then you turn off the heat. And now we're gonna make the gravy. The gravy, we're gonna use 1 cup of water. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of double black soy sauce. A little white pepper. You just make it even. Then you kind of wait, you know, a little bit. All right, then we're gonna make the gravy. How you make the gravy? We use some water with some cornstarch. Okay, we tried it. Then mix them up until you have to wait until it's boiling. So now it's boiling, and you just put it in slowly. You wait until they completely boiling a little bit, because they will get thicker, you know. So you do that little bit at a time. That's about right. So maybe a little bit more. Okay. See that about right. Okay. Then we're gonna put that on the egg foo young. Alright, then we put there with green onions on it. I think that's it, and that's a chicken egg foo young.